Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. This is going to be the last of my all natural series for now. The reason I say for now is look what Renee from Soaps for Love sent me in the mail this week. Totally unexpected. She sent me samples. This is enough to do multiple batches of all natural colors, but all kinds of different ones. Spirulina powder, indigo powder, pomegranate, olive leaf, wheatgrass, rosemary, kale, banana powder, matcha green, 17 different natural colorants. So this is not going to be my last all-natural soap by all means. It's just the one for the time being. So let's get started on what I'm making right now. Let me get these put away where they're safe. But Renee, thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing that. So what I'm going to be doing, or plan, is to do an in-the-pot swirl, and I will be using Nurture Soap's activated charcoal, titanium dioxide, purple Brazilian clay, and Nature's Garden rose clay. So I'll put the white base and then color it with those three accent colors. And the plan is to do an in-the-pot swirl. Now the soap may have a different plan, we'll see, but that being said, let's get started. So very, very light emulsification. And that is good for now because I will be stick blending some more. Split this off into my three colors. Now, I am going to weigh one. I know normally I say I'm just going to eyeball this, close is good enough. The reason I'm going to weigh, I just want to get an idea for the three accent colors. I want roughly half of the batch to be the white, and I want the three accent colors to have the other half split by three, which is going to be roughly a little over 15 ounces. So this is just to give me an idea. And that's too much, so pour some back. That's good enough. I don't even care. It's not that much over. Now, that'll give me an idea in these three about how much to pour off. And these I will just eyeball. Good enough. Good enough. So into our main pot, our main soap is going to be the titanium dioxide. Which I'll stir in at first, but will definitely have to be stick blended. Set it aside. Get our three accent colors, and we're going to have activated charcoal. I always used to pre-mix my colorants, and perhaps maybe with experience, or maybe I just don't feel like fooling with it, I have gotten a little better at just putting the dry powder in, although I hope I don't regret it with this one. We'll see. This is my purple Brazilian clay. And I've always heard that you should pre-mix clays in water so they don't absorb the water in your soap. The last time I did this, I did pre-mix it in water, and the red clay only had glycerin rivers from the extra water. So Anyway, so let's just, let's hand stir these in. I think, hand stir these in. Keep this thin. Everything's behaving well, which is good. So I'm going to go ahead and hand stir in my Litsia essential oil. Put roughly half into the white. And then a third in each of the accents. Hand stir this in, then I am going to stick blend because we're way too thin, but that's good. I was counting on it being too thin, so I could stick blend some more. Hit each one lightly with the stick blender and get the desired trace and pour it. Alright, yeah, that's a little thinner than I like, but we'll see. Try to save just a little for the top. Holy cow, I didn't get my mold out. clean and ready. So here we go. I love watching it in the pot pour swirl. Oh yeah, this looks nice. Just kind of pour some lines of our accent colors on the top. That's it. Now for all of you who hate to see soap waste, worry not. Leftover in theirs will get cleaned up off the camera. I will pour them all into a mold, which will be one for me to test, because I always test it before I give it out. But we'll give it a squirt of rubbing alcohol to prevent soda ash. I'll come back in about 5 minutes and spray it again, but there we go. So, this is going to be my last one for a while. I'm going to go on a hiatus for a little while. But I'll see you all tomorrow for the cut. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye. Okay, so we're back to cut the soap. And usual, very hot gel, so I got slick, shiny sides. I could see my hand reflecting in it, popped right out of the mold at 12 hours. Something weird happened. My titanium dioxide settled, so when I put it in, I put in mostly oil. I did not put much titanium dioxide at all because this is supposed to be a bright white. That's what I was planning, and it's kind of more of a, like a creamy pale yellow or beige, so not, I don't know. I've gone ahead and split it, but I haven't opened it up yet. Let's take a look inside together. Now that is a very, very unique in the pot swirl. I have not had one like this. I like this. I wish I had gotten the white that I was planning on, but wow. Let's cut these into bars and see what these look like. White or not, that is neat. Now cutting it this way, looks kind of like typical in the pot swirl. I do wish that were white. I think that is the Brazilian clay. It looks kind of brown. Very, very strange. And the purple Brazilian clay usually turns nice purple when it gels. There's a nice one with the black in it. This is not at all what I was planning, but it's kind of neat. It's definitely unique, that's for sure. Wow, look at that one. who worries about wasted soap left over in the containers, okay, it all ends up in one single mold. That was all the leftover in the containers, and that one will be for me. So this is not even remotely what I was planning on, but I like it. It's definitely different. What was supposed to be white is tannish, kind of yellow, creamy off-white, and the purple Brazilian clay is brown, not purple. It's different, but I like it. So, I'm going to go on a short hiatus for a while, so it'll be a few weeks, maybe 3 or 4 weeks, but I will be back, and I will see you all later for another batch of soap. Thanks for watching. Bye.